Hello everybody, I'm here today to help you format a report. You will be given a style and reference manual by your instructor, possibly like this one. I would suggest you read the first 2 pages because it will give you the basic document information, formatting information, and will also tell you how your document will be graded and how you will lose points. So just read it a couple of times so you fully understand it. We're going to start formatting. It tells you right here we need a left justification. We need 12 point times New Roman font. We need single spacing. We also need zeros before and after spacing. And in a document in a report, we need a header and the margin should be at 1/2 inch. And for the report also, we're going to be using MLA styling. You are not allowed to use bullets in this style, but you can use enumeration. Okay, let's start with the basics. Okay, you should be on normal, but we're going to change that to no spacing, which gives us single line spacing. We also have a left justification, and we're going to change our font to Times New Roman, size 12. Then we're going to go down to our table of contents and find the report. The report is on page 21. So we're going to go to 21. And then we're going to look at the additional formatting that we have to do here. We have to put in a header, which is the sender's last name and a page number. So in this case with Julie Smith, it's going to be Smith 1. We also need margins of a top and side margins of 1. And we need it to be double spaced. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go back to a document on margins. We're going to pick normal because it has a top, a left and right margin of 1 inch. We're going to go home. And I just changed mine to single spacing, but that's okay. We can go in here. We can make sure our alignment is correct, which is left. We have no indentations. And we have no spacing after or before the paragraph. We have single line spacing. We're going to hit the drop down, hit double, and hit OK. And that will put our whole document here into double spacing. Alright, the first thing is insert a header. This is pretty much so I don't forget. But this one, I'm going to hit tab a couple of times so we're over on the right hand side. And type in Smith 1, space 1, and close the header. That's done. And we are still at 1 inch. Then we're going to start typing. We're going to put in the sender as Julie Smith, who she's sending it to. It's Roger, Maya, and Roger is in the marketing department. So we're gonna type in marketing department. And I always do that when I write mint on anything. And now we're going to get to the date. Now the date here is military style, which means it's going to be the day, then the month, and then the year. And also notice there are no commas within this date. And also just FYI, most of Europe uses this dating style. We're going to hit enter and we're going to put in our report title. Your report title needs to be in the middle of the page, like right here. So we're going to hit center alignment And then we're going to start typing our report title. There is no, you do not have to capitalize this, you do not have to bold this, but on each word you do need a capital at the beginning. Then we're going to hit enter again, and we're going to start typing our paragraphs. Now our paragraph, we have to go back to left justification, and if you know, as you notice, there is an indentation. On a report, you do need an indentation. You could go up here and change this to 0.5, but you really don't want to do that, as when you put in your subject title or topic title, it needs to be on the left. It needs to be on that left margin. So to get the indentation, we just tab once, and it will give us the 1/2 inch that we need. Then you're going to put in your first paragraph. Then you're just going to hit enter once. All you have to do is hit enter once whenever you go to a new paragraph or subject topic line. So we have a topic line here. So to do that, we are going to underline it, and then we're going to put in our topic subheading. Then we're going to hit enter again, get rid of our underlining, hit tab, and begin our next paragraph. Now in this case, they have given you a couple of examples here. You may have a topic and then just a paragraph, but you also may have a topic and then you have to introduce the topic, and then you are writing the major points. And in this case, you're going to hit enter, and you're going to do the subject topic again with your underlining. Everyone's preparing the reports. And then you're going to hit enter, get rid of the underlining, hit tab, and then write your introduction. Then you're going to hit enter once. Then put 1 dot space. It looks like they have 2 here. And then type. Do not, if you go over here and you just say, yeah, I need this. See what it does? It indents it. It puts it there. You do not want to do that. You have to start here. So you're going to have 1, and then you're going to put in your sentence. And then you're going to hit and put in your next sentence or paragraph. Okay. And I can't get, there we go. And then once you've put in your numeration here, you're going to hit enter and put in your, do another tab, and then put in your final paragraph. And apparently I can't copy. Like that. And that is the basics of a report. I just want to reiterate that once you've done your introductory paragraph, on the assignment that you're given, you may not need a subject topic heading. You may just go straight on to another paragraph, and you may not need the numerations here. It depends on the assignment that you're given. And then if we hit the show and hide button, it will show us, and I have a space here. We're going to back up. Oh, no, we're good. Alright. It will not show you the P's in here like the report and the memorandum because it's double spacing. This shows you that you've tabbed it across, which is good. And then again, when you do this, go line by line, make sure all your spelling is correct, all your punctuation is correct. And also, I have a suggestion of giving your original assignment to someone else and reading what you've typed to them. I did this with mine and I found a lot of mistakes in my spelling or words that I just completely missed by doing that. And also when you're reading, like this first sentence, whether written for personal or business use, when you read it to someone, say that sentence like whether written for personal or business use, and then I would say comma, so they know that you have put the comma in there, and then a report should be, so you would say whether written for personal or business use, comma, a report should present a message that is well organized, comma, simply stated, comma, and you will find that that will help you a lot. So I hope I helped you with your formatting, and good luck and goodbye. Well,